Hello there. I think it's pretty fair to say we'll all be glad to see the back of November in terms of the weather. We have seen some fairly persistent, relentless rain at times, haven't we? This has been the story today. Hardly any sunshine around at all. As you can see, quite a lot of cloud and bands of showery rain that have been drifting their way steadily northwards. Now, for the next couple of days, we're still likely to see further heavy rain and gales, particularly across England and Wales, but not exclusively. And it may well lead to some localised flooding. So the bands of showery rain will ease their way northwards overnight. We will leave a blanket of cloud following on behind before the next system pushes into the southwest. That's going to bring yet more wet and windy weather with it. An incredibly mild night with temperatures falling no lower than 8 to 10 degrees quite widely. So that area of low pressure, well, that is going to push its way steadily northwards. Plenty of isobars packed around that low. So that means the winds are featured particularly into the southwest first thing on Tuesday morning. Gusts in excess of 55 miles an hour, with the rain gradually drifting its way steadily north and east during the early morning rush hour. So it will push its way into the London area, the Midlands, Wales, over into Northern Ireland. Eventually, by the middle of the afternoon, it's going to grind to a halt close to the Scottish borders as well. Behind it, we'll see further spells of heavy rain pushing into the far southeast. A blustery day for all of us, particularly on exposed west-facing coast, but mild with it because of the direction of the wind. So highs again of 10 to 14 degrees. Now, as we move out of Tuesday into Wednesday, that low pressure is going to drift its way slowly eastwards, but it'll take its time in doing so. And on the southern flank of that low during the early hours of Wednesday, we could see some gale force gusts across channel facing coast and still some rain to come. During the day on Wednesday, we'll see heavy persistent rain across eastern parts of England and into central and southern Scotland. So that could be a cause for concern here, 9 to 12 degrees the high. But once we get Wednesday out of the way, we're going to start to see a change. So low pressure will move off into the near continent. The wind direction is going to change to a northerly, so that's going to drag down some colder air yet again across the country. But it will also mean eventually we'll start to see something quieter as we head towards the weekend. Colder and quieter for all.